What causes earthquakes? The Earth is made up of 4 layers: inner core, outer core, mantle and crust. The mantle and crust are a thin skin compared to the other layers. The mantle is about 1,800 miles thick, while the crust is only about 8 miles thick. The surface of Earth, or the crust, is not one solid piece. It is broken into pieces of rock masses called tectonic plates. The plates are always moving and pushing into each other, but they move slowly. Sometimes the plates slide under or against each other and become stuck. When they slide apart, they create pressure force. When the force becomes too great, the rock masses suddenly shift, causing a fault in the crust. A fault is a crack in the Earth's crust. This force causes the Earth to shake and ripple, and this is how we get an earthquake. Sometimes earthquakes occur because of other natural or human causes. For example, the movement of magma beneath a volcano can cause an earthquake. Holding great amounts of water behind dams causes pressure, which can cause quakes. Furthermore, the digging of mines and underground nuclear explosions can also cause quakes. Types of faults that cause earthquakes. There are 3 main types of geological fault that may cause an earthquake: normal, reverse and strike slip. Normal faults occur when the crust is being extended. Reverse faults occur when the crust is being shortened. Strike slip faults occur when the 2 sides of the fault slip horizontally past each other. They are the waves that travel through the Earth. They are classified into 2 types. A. Primary waves, P waves, the first waves of an earthquake. They cause the ground to move back and forth in the direction of travel. They travel faster than other waves through the Earth, and they are the first waves to arrive at seismic recording stations. These waves can travel through solids, liquids, and even gases. B. Secondary waves, S waves, the next waves to arrive. They are also called transverse waves. They shake the ground in a crosswise motion that is perpendicular to the direction of travel. These are the shake waves that move the ground up and down or from side to side. They travel slower through the Earth, and they can travel only through solid materials. These waves cause the most damage. 2. Surface waves. They are the waves that travel at the Earth's surface. They are usually generated when the source of the earthquake is close to the Earth's surface. Although the surface waves travel slower than the body waves, they are much larger and more destructive. There are 2 kinds of surface wave. A. Rayleigh waves, also called ground roll. They cause the ground to shake in an elliptical pattern. This motion is similar to that in ocean waves. B. Love waves. They cause the surface to move horizontally from side to side perpendicular to the direction of travel. They move faster than Rayleigh waves. Foreshocks and aftershocks. Before and after a large earthquake, there will likely be smaller earthquakes. The ones that happen before are called foreshocks. The ones that happen after are called aftershocks. The large, main earthquake is called the main shock. When and where do earthquakes occur? Earthquakes can happen anywhere. Most of them occur along the edges of the plates of Earth's crust. One great earthquake belt is known as the Ring of Fire. This is an area around the edges of the Pacific Ocean. Most large earthquakes occur in the Ring of Fire. Another belt is in the Mediterranean region between Europe and North Africa. In addition, earthquakes can occur at any time of the year and at any time of the day or night. Can earthquakes be predicted? Unfortunately, earthquakes cannot be predicted. However, many large earthquakes have foreshocks that tell a large earthquake is coming. In addition, scientists have observed some physical changes that happen before some earthquakes in the environment around their epicenters. These changes include deformation in the crust in the fault zones, and an increase in the volume of rocks. With continuous research, scientists may one day be able to predict earthquakes.